Hate waking up? There's an alarm clock that literally runs from you. It's called Clocky, and it has wheels because hitting snooze isn't an option. The moment you don't get up, it jumps off your nightstand and takes off. It rolls around the room, hides under furniture, and keeps beeping. You actually have to chase it to shut it off. Clocky was created by a sleep-deprived MIT student. It's been sold all over the world to help chronic snoozers, and for many, it's the only alarm that works. Because if your alarm hides, sleeping in just isn't an option.